Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Eileen. Today we're going to look at a brand new style from Raquel Welch. This is Flash Forward in Shaded Cappuccino. What do you think about this short style? I think this is a perfect throw on and go. Now this wig was provided by Wig Studio One, so thank you Wig Studio One. And if you need anything from them, any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to them at support@wigstudio1.com. And please join us in our private Facebook group, Wig Studio One Wig and Topper Support Group. All right, true to life heat-friendly fibers. Now I know a lot of people don't like heat-friendly fibers. However, what I think is nice about this one is it's not too long. So I have on just the sweater today and it is barely touching that. So you won't get the normal friction like you would on a longer style that is constantly rubbing on your clothing. So if you wanted to try a heat-friendly style and you haven't in the past, maybe look at something that has a length like this also, but still at some point you're going to have to add some heat to this. So just keep that in mind. And I've showed you before, I like to use this little tiny flat iron. Works perfectly on wigs like this. You can just easily, I can handle this better than a large one. Either way, it's just personal preference. I just like a little small one like this because I can just smooth the ends so easily with that. And you will have to do that at some point. Make sure you are staying by the manufacturer's recommendations for heat. Again, support@wigstudio1.com can help you with that and give you all that information. Now this is a textured style. Look at these razor cut ends on this. I like that you can wear it behind your ear. Easily done. Both sides if you want. Gives it a little more sleek look. There's some permatease right around this monotop. I'm going to show you the inside of the cap, but maybe the smallest amount. What I will tell you is I feel like I had a lot of room in the top of this wig. I always like to call that to your attention if I feel that way. And I do feel there is some extra room, and that is good. If you have a larger head size, you'll have a little extra room there. But as far as permatease, oh gosh, I just say the smallest amount right at the edge of the monotop. Again, I'll show you the inside of that. This fit me a little large, as wefted Raquel Welch wigs fit me very differently from hand-tied caps. This one fits me a little big. I brought in the adjusters. I will also show you that when we look at the inside of the cap. All right, so Flash Forward has the Memory Cap 3, and let's talk about Shaded Cappuccino. It's a rooted shade. It's made up of shades of light golden brown, cool blonde highlights, as you can see. And it's all on this darker brown root. In my opinion, this is one of the most wearable and versatile shades. I think so many skin tones can wear Shaded Cappuccino. The front of this is 5.5 inches. So you have this 5.5 inch bang. The crown is 7 on this one. The sides are 5.5, the back's 5.5, and the nape's 5.5. So it's 5.5 all the way around, except for it has a 7-inch crown. So it has a little longer nape if you like that. Let me zoom in and show you the lace front. Okay, so here's the lace front. Extends all the way down to here. Here's my bow hair here and here, so you have good coverage. For styling for this, I'm just going to use a little wig wax. You know, I use it all the time. Just going to spray it on here and just separate these fibers just a little. Just create some movement. Don't be afraid to get your hands in these wigs. That's what gives them life. Pull them away from the cap. Let them have some natural movement. Just by doing that, You see just that little bit, you can really, and I'm pulling them away. I got my fingers to the cap and I'm pulling them away from the cap. And that absolutely will give you a little more natural movement. Now you could also put this on with the headband, of course. Headbands are so popular right now. You can pull this off your face. You know, I do it all the time. You've seen me do it a million times. Pull it off, give it a little twist. I keep a ton of these just little clips everywhere, and you can easily get it off your face. Thanks for stopping by my channel today. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. And let me know, have you tried this wig? Have you ordered this wig? And have you tried this color? Leave me lots of comments and let's talk about it. Thank you for joining me. I'll see you next time.